I can never get the streaming thing to save my life. I don't know if anyone's actually seeing this stream. I can never get it to work to save my
There is
life.
a is
Doesn't say I'm live. It's so stupid. I don't get what's going on. 1 second. Stupid.
אז אני
Oh, I guess I am live. I guess I am live. Okay, we probably need to cut out the first 20 seconds or whatever. Oh, I guess I am live. I guess I am live. Okay, so I'm absolutely the worst at streaming. I always get it wrong, but it seems like it's working. Finally. Okay. Okay, but I'm the only viewer. So, anyways, I just wanted to answer a few of the questions from the QA. One was about the canceling an order that was done with your phone or somewhere else. So first, I want to show you guys like it has to do a lot with the client ID. So if you go to the this IB Gateway, I guess I have to log in also. So you log into IB Gateway, put your credentials, and once you put your credentials, oops, I guess I don't know my own password. Okay, so you log into IB Gateway. So you look at configure settings, and you'll see that in API there's settings, and there's this whole the master API client ID. This master API client ID sees every trade, and you can cancel every trade through it. And there's also a special client ID called client ID 0, which sees all the trades in your current client ID plus the ones you do like manually, like with the app. So let me show you guys. I'll do okay. Okay, so let me just show you guys a few examples. So let's just say we start from scratch, right? We'll do like from IB async equals import star IB1 equals IB dot connect IB1.connect, sorry, .connect, port equals 4004, client ID equals 1, and then I do util.start loop, like this. So this is IB1, right? Something's off. Okay, so I'm connected to this. So now let me just do IB1 dot open orders. I have no open orders, but if I do IB1 dot fills, I have a lot of fills. These are trades that executed today. This is a demo account, so anyways, I have all these trades that fill. So I do think you see your fills no matter what, even if it's in a different client. So just to prove this, you can do IB.fills.shape 33 by 4. So now let's create a new order. So I do like create a new order, and I hope you guys hear me. So you can do like new order equals, let's say, market order by 100, and then contract equals stock, symbol equals Tesla, exchange equals smart, currency equals USD. They can do IB.place IB1, sorry, that place order contract, and then new order, right? So now I place this contract, and let's do the IB.open orders. IB, sorry, it's a habit. Open orders. No open orders because it filled. Let me call this trade. Let's do a limit order. Sorry. And Tesla, of course, always crashes. So So let's do total quantity is 100, and let's do limit price. What is Tesla's price right now? So let's get a Tesla market data. We do ticker equals ib.rec. The reason I'm doing IB1 is I want to show you the difference in the client IDs. This is with client ID 1. So rec market data, and then I'll do stock. I called it contract. That's why I did this a live video, because if I mess up, it's less bad, I think. So this will be ticker. So I'll do ticker dot market price. It's gonna give me NAND because it didn't fill yet, but a second later it should fill. So Tesla, oh, nice bounce, 179.71. Obviously it went up a ton yesterday and then just crashed. So let's just do a limit just for the hell of it to like 179, right? Okay, so now you see I have this buy order with limit 179, right? So, okay, so now let's assume I connect with a different client. Okay, and this is again not the master client. Connect with different client ID. So let's do it. Say I connect with client ID 2, and it's not the master client, right? So I do 2, and now if I wanted to do this IB2.open orders, I don't see it, right? But if I connect with master client ID, I see everything. So I go like this, I go like this, and here, and then I do IB3.open orders, and I see I have this, right? Okay, so let's just show you guys for a second. It's just one order, the buy order on Tesla. Okay, so this is IB3, right? Okay, so now I want to show you two things. Number one, let's just do IB0 just for a second, because I'll show you in a second why. So assume we have this. This is IB0, and then I'll do the same thing with IB0. And you see IB0 does not get all the orders, but it will always get the orders from your phone. So let's say I open my phone. In real life, on your actual account, you should definitely like have 2 users so you don't get this data error every time. But because I'm using a demo account, it's okay. Watch me get an error in a second. Okay, so I'm logging into paper trading. It's gonna complain about another user session, that sort of thing. I'll do okay. It'll screw this connectivity thing up like this. So you're gonna have to reconnect all this stuff. Okay, understand, accept. So now let me. Oh, I have 1%. Worst timing. Before this dies, and I completely shack the full this whole thing. Let me place a buy order now with my what's it called, demo account. So I'm placing a buy order. I'm gonna buy Tesla at I'll do 175, and I'll buy 100 shares at 175, right? Okay, so I did slide to buy. Okay, so I bought 100 at 175, and now my phone's gonna die. And let's see how it looks. So now we have to actually restart everything. And because you can't have the user twice with the data, so now let me just sign out here. Okay, so now let's see what happens. We have to reconnect here. So reconnect this session. Okay, so now, oh shoot. Okay, so just restart the client because I already clicked this. So now IB2, remember, was non-master. It's weird. I have a feeling I'm connected somewhere else and I don't know about it. Okay. Let's completely restart this whole thing, this IB gateway. Let's Or you know what? Let's see if this works. Actually, let's try. If do I have IB2? How can I? I guess I'm connected from somewhere else that I'm not familiar with. Oh, you know what? QA from subscribers. Sorry, I used the wrong thing. Okay, so restart. So now, okay, IB1 is not the master. Remember, our master is settings. We have master as as 3, right? So basically, um, oops. So basically, 1 is not 3, and let's see if we can see the order from the phone. So we do IB1 that open orders. So it, um, okay, sorry. This open order was the one we did here, right? But we don't see the order for 175 we placed with the phone. Okay. Um, but let's say we do client 2, we see nothing, right? Because client 2 has nothing in common. We already made this order from client 1. But with the master client, look what we see. We see it's so funny how nothing seems to work when you demo it for people. I only see this 179 one. I don't see the 175. Okay. So IB0, I do see the 175. So I guess okay, that's really weird because before I did think that with client ID it's just the master, you see everything, but apparently you only see the trade the trade with like the phone on client equals 0. That's really weird because I didn't think this was the case, but that's really weird. Okay, so I guess the moral of the story is we just learned together, at least on the demo count, that to see the order you place from your phone, you need to use client ID equals 0. Okay, so to cancel the order, just to remind you guys, I can do for order in IB 0 dot open orders, IB dot cancel, IB 0 dot cancel order, order. So I guess the moral of the story is it's really weird. Sometimes demo accounts do weird things. Oh, okay, it did cancel the order. Okay. So yeah, sometimes demo accounts do weird things, but so that's funny. Like, so I guess you don't see what you did with the phone on client ID. That's not 0. You have to have client ID 0. So client ID 0 is a special case. Okay, so we learned that together. I wonder if like I have anybody that actually is watching this video. I don't even know if the volume works, but okay. So if you guys are watching this video, it's cool. I wanted to say like months ago I had like a thing where I had like all these option strategies, and like I wanted to talk about like basic options like calls and puts and why you use them and all these beautiful graphs. At least I think they are beginner strategies like cash secured puts, covered calls, all that good stuff. And then my favorite strategy is like a bull call spread. So I had this like kind of nice notebook where I like get from real market data with interactive brokers. I get like these nice graphs and like you have Greeks and calculations and stuff. If enough people tell me they're interested, I'll make a video on this thing. I know I promised the backtesting video. I don't know when I'll have time, but I'll try as soon as I can. Just as a resource for some of you guys, if you go on YouTube, you see that there's a guy like backtesting Chad. I think there's a guy. This guy has Chad Thackeray. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong. He has a lot of interesting things on backtesting. I'll do mine completely different than his, but it's a good resource. I don't think he's active as much anymore, but like anyways, just so you guys know, I don't even know if I'm live or not. I have no idea what's going on. Anyways, if you guys want to see this options strategy thing, let me know. And good luck on NVIDIA earnings if you guys care about that.